There is the frustrating scenario where Amazon reviews it and for some reason they are not changing your classification. They're still classifying you as a dangerous good, usually one that includes chemicals or harmful chemicals, but it is not dangerous good and it does not include any harmful chemicals. Today, just wanted to give a few minutes to talk about the safety data sheets and exemption sheets when you're looking at your dangerous goods classifications. And if it's something you've never looked at, you can go ahead and visit this link right here at the top. We'll leave that down in the description below. On this link, you can see if Amazon is classifying any of your ASINs as a dangerous good or as a non-dangerous good. It may show it's dangerous goods and fulfillable. It might show as dangerous goods not fulfillable. The most common thing that we'll see is that Amazon is classifying your product as a dangerous good, usually one that includes chemicals or harmful chemicals, but it is not dangerous good and it does not include any harmful chemicals. For those instances, we would be going down here on the bottom right and we'd be downloading Amazon's template for an exemption sheet for products without harmful chemicals. Filling this out, you'll just enter your first and last name here. All of this should be no. If any of it is yes, you're not going to get anywhere. You're going to get rejected and your product probably is a dangerous good. The most important thing here is you want to make sure that the ASIN and the product name matches exactly with Amazon. Take the title directly from your product detail page, copy paste it into here, make sure you have the correct ASIN, download this, upload document right here, specify your ASIN again, you'll choose the file you just downloaded and you'll specify that language is English and upload it. Very simple. It should take Amazon 3 to 5 days to review and they get back to you. There is the frustrating scenario where Amazon reviews it and for some reason they are not changing your classification. They're still classifying you as a dangerous good. You can continue to try uploading your exemption sheets. Sometimes it doesn't get you very far. Sometimes you'll have some luck, but that is a tough scenario to be in, and I've seen it happen before. The other type of exemption sheet here is for battery and battery-powered products. If you are in that boat and you need to fill out an exemption sheet for battery or battery-powered products, it's very simple and basically the same thing. First, last name, ASIN, product title, exact match with what's on Amazon. And then here you're just going to put some components of what is in the box. You're going to specify if batteries are sold with the product or if the product is a battery itself, and then some technical details about the batteries. Hop on over for the safety data sheets. If an exemption sheet is not something that applies to you specifically, if your product is a dangerous good, you still need to comply and make sure that Amazon has all the correct information on the product, and that's what the safety data sheet is for, so that you can make sure that you're able to fulfill it through FBA and continue selling the product on Amazon. First things first, for an SDS, there's a few check boxes here just to make sure that your safety data sheet is compliant. It needs to be new, semi-new. It can't be older than 5 years old. It needs to include GHS and CLP hazard identification information. That as well will be in the Amazon help article we looked at earlier, and I'll make sure that is linked below. Making sure that you're using an exact match with exactly what appears on Amazon in the title when we reference the manufacturer and the brand name. And then there's 16 sections of the SDS that you're going to want to include. I'm just going to quickly run through those. I don't want to spend too long. You can pause the screen, take a look at what the requirements are for each section. The first section would be hazard identification, all hazards regarding the product and required label elements, hazard classifications, pictogram signal word hazard statement, composition information on ingredients, first aid measures, firefighting measures, accidental release measures, handling and storage, exposure control and personal protection, physical and chemical properties, stability and reactivity, toxicological information, ecological information, disposal considerations, transportation information, regulatory information, and other information. Those would be all the sections that you need to include in your safety data sheet. If you have any other questions, feel free to drop them down in the comments and we will do our best to answer you. Thank you so much.